We have some very unique inside looks at Tesla Giga Texas. Friend Joe Techmeyer, a drone operator at Tesla Giga Texas, recently shared some interesting pictures on Twitter actually this morning. These images give us a sneak peek into the progress happening at Giga Texas factory. They show exciting developments in different areas like the movement of equipment and the creation of new parts. It's worth exploring these details to understand what they mean for Tesla's future plans. So let's start. Geopier equipment and e-cathode plant. One picture shows that Tesla has moved some equipment to a place called e-cathode plant. This suggests that Tesla is making progress in setting up a strong foundation for battery cell production. By using advanced technology like Geopier, Tesla aims to improve efficiency and sustainability in its operations at Giga Texas. Second is Model Y bumper forms and plastics manufacturing area. Another picture caught the attention of many. It shows molds that might be used for making or storing the bumpers of Model 3. This raises a question. Is Tesla considering changing the bumper design of the Model 3 to match the ones used in Project Highland? This change could help Tesla streamline its production process and work more efficiently. Third is Megapack and switchyard progress. The images also revealed progress in the construction of the Megapack and switchyard sites. Tesla is focusing on expanding its energy storage capabilities and strengthening its presence in the renewable energy market. Megapacks are essential for storing and using renewable power effectively. The advancement at the switchyard site showed Tesla's commitment to building a strong infrastructure to support its electric vehicles and energy solutions. And fourth is emerging recycling yard and CFA drilling. What does this mean? One picture shows the early stages of a recycling yard being built at the far end of Giga Texas. This demonstrates Tesla's dedication to sustainable practices and reducing waste. By investing in recycling, Tesla aims to minimize its impact on the environment and move towards a circular economy. The ongoing CFA drilling at the southern end of the factory indicates that Tesla is expanding and developing further. This expansion might lead to new production lines of facilities. It shows Tesla's ambition to grow and meet the increasing demand for sustainable transportation. And fifth is monitoring the General Assembly to third line. Techmeyer's tweet also mentions the importance of keeping an eye on the General Assembly 2 or 3 line. It's crucial to understand how it's being used and if any changes are happening. The line plays a significant role in Tesla's vehicle manufacturing process. By monitoring it, we can get insights into Tesla's efforts to improve their manufacturing of electric vehicles, they improve their manufacturing techniques, and ensure high-quality electric vehicles for car buyers. Friends, the pictures shared by Joe Techmeyer provide an exciting glimpse into the progress at Tesla Giga Texas. From the movement of equipment to the emergence of new facilities, it's clear that Tesla is committed to sustainable manufacturing practices and innovation. This development showcases Tesla's dedication to building a greener future and meeting the growing demand for electric vehicles and renewable energy solutions. So what do you think about these pictures and the progress Tesla is making at Giga Texas? Yesterday, Tesla Giga Berlin held a family day for Giga Berlin employees, and I have a rare footage of a factory tour from Giga Berlin thanks to our friend Jürgen, who tweets at GF for Tesla, who has been chronicling Tesla Giga Berlin from day one. So you're seeing that on your screen. Friends, just like fellow Silicon Valley companies, Elon Musk's ventures such as Tesla and SpaceX are known for their work hard, play hard culture. Long hours and sleepless nights are pretty much expected, but employees can also expect Elon Musk to throw large fun parties for them and their families. A former SpaceX engineer even informed Wired magazine that Elon Musk once converted the SpaceX factory floor into a full-blown carnival for a party. And in 2016, Elon Musk rented out a whole stadium for a simple Tesla party to thank employees for making Tesla profitable. With this in mind, it is no surprise to see Tesla Europe holding a grand family day party party at Giga Berlin factory for the electric car companies, employees, and their families. Images and videos shared online showed that the event was exclusively for Giga Berlin employees and their families. It also involved tours through the facility's production line, which you're seeing on your screen. Reports from electric vehicle community members in the area noted that an evening party was held as well after the tour. So scenes from the Family Day celebrations were highlighted by Tesla Europe in a Twitter post, and in our friend's Jürgen's post. The video showcased several compelling events prepared by Tesla for the Family Day attendees, ranging from factory tours through the Model Y production line to dedicated areas for children, including a test track for child-sized Teslas. Overall, the Giga Berlin Family Day seemed to be a lot of fun and an excellent way for the company to show its appreciation of its employees. Gigafactory Berlin plays a crucial role, friends, in Tesla's operations today as the facility responsible for producing the Tesla Model Y electric crossover and bringing Tesla's most popular vehicle to market in Europe and beyond Europe. The facility is also unique among Tesla's factories as it features a paint shop capable of producing special paint colors such as Quicksilver and Midnight Cherry in red. You have seen those in my videos. So what do you think about how far Tesla Giga Berlin has gone? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Tesla has recently announced that it will be importing the Model Y long range from China to Canada. However, this version of the car has a lower range than the one that is currently being manufactured in Fremont, California. This has led to some confusion and speculation among Tesla fans. So why did Tesla make the decision to import Model Y to Canada from Giga Shanghai, but not from Fremont factory, Giga Texas, or at least Giga Berlin that are much closer? There are a few possibilities and possible explanations, which I'm going to talk about now. First, it could be a way to increase supply. Tesla is currently facing production constraints at its Fremont factory. By importing the Model Y from China, Tesla can increase the number of cars that it is able to sell in Canada. Second, it could be a way to reduce costs. The cost of manufacturing Tesla Model Y in China is lower than the cost of manufacturing it in the Fremont factory. By importing the car from China, Tesla can save money, which could help to offset the lower price of the car. Third, here is another interesting explanation. Elon Musk did say that Tesla cars produced at Giga Shanghai are most efficient and of highest quality. This is probably why Tesla is importing this specific version of the Model Y to Canada from Gigafactory Shanghai. But does this mean the US Tesla buyers are getting a somewhat lower quality Model Y vehicles compared to those which are made at Gigafactory Shanghai? Whatever the reason, Tesla's decision to import the Model Y long range from China is a significant one. It will be interesting to see how the car is received by Canadian Model Y drivers. Now, here are some additional thoughts on the matter. Some Tesla fans are disappointed that the Model Y long range from China has a lower range than the one that is currently being manufactured in Fremont. However, it is important to remember that the car is still a long-range vehicle. It has a range of 497 kilometers, which is 308 miles of range per single charge, and more than enough for most people's need. But on the other hand, Canada with cold weather needs more range, not 10% less range. The lower price of the Model Y long range from China is a welcome change. It makes the car more affordable for a wider range of customers. Tesla's decision to import the Model Y long range from China is a sign of the company's commitment to the Canadian market. It is clear that Tesla sees Canada as an important market for its electric vehicles. That's why it's shipping all the way from China to make sure Canada has enough Model Ys. So friends, I think Tesla's decision to import the Model Y long range from China is at least an interesting one. Maybe all Fremont and Gigafactory Texas production is needed for the United States. Are Tesla's US factories sold out or making space for the Cybertruck and Tesla Semi production? One thing I can say for sure is that the Tesla demand is obviously high in the United States. That's why Tesla is shipping cars all the way from Gigafactory Shanghai to next door Canada. What are your thoughts about this? Let me know, friends, in the comment section below.